Okay, hello everyone. My name is Rizky Tito Prastyo. I'm the co-author of this paper. This paper present with title Data Quality Assessment on Lecturer Primary Data. This research take a case study on higher education database at Ministry of Education and Culture, Republic of Indonesia. So let's start with introduction of this research. Currently, information and communication technology is growing rapidly. One of the important things related to that is data. Data is one of the important components that can have a significant impact on the organization's strategic objective. So, knowledge of the quality conditions of data can provide benefit to the organizations. From that statement, we have several research that related with this paper. The first is from Propoerawani, 2016. Uh, the research about data quality improvement strategies covering student and learning activities in the higher education database at the Ministry of Research, Technology and Higher Education. And then Wiluyaning Tias Wijayanti, 2018, assessment of data quality in higher education using a case study from a tertiary institution in Indonesia. The data used between 2012 until 2014 and last from FND 2012, measuring the quality of data and information at Unicom using the Caltea and Epamekal methodologies. Referring to the research on data quality in the higher education database conducted by Rawani, which is still in the scope of student and learning data, while in the higher education database, there are still several scopes. Uh, so, uh, we initiate to measure the quality of data in the context of teaching or lecturer data. It's so important to find out how good the quality of the data, so that it can support policy making in the main unit to the university level. Based on the background that has been described, we propose a research to analyze the quality of lecturer data, especially the primary data on lecturer registration contained in the higher education database or PDDE. Literature review used in this paper are included data quality and then data quality management, data quality dimension, and data quality measurement. Methodology used in this study included several steps were compiled and explained as follows. First, identify the required data based on the existing regulation. And then we determine the dimensions of data quality based on the regulations of the Minister of Research, Technology and Higher Education number 61 of 2016. And then we define for dimension such as completeness, validity, accuracy, and currency. Then we have criteria according to the rules applied to the assessed data. So we collected data based on the need for a data quality assessment. And then we measuring or assessing the quality of the data. So we have analyzed the results And the last is provide conclusions and recommendations. The results, the result and discussions that will be explained include the measurement result from the four dimensions and also the analysis of the problem from that measurement. First dimension is completeness. We have 86 attributes are required to be filled in or cannot be null. So we have completeness dimension that has been met at 93.33%. And the discrepancy between data and business rules is 6.67%. And then validity dimension, the measurement results, which has been fulfilled by 88.91% for the 13 predetermined business rules, while there are 11.09% for data that are not validated. And third dimension is accuracy. The measurement results for this accuracy dimension, which is 95.45% of the data measured for the 18 specified business rules, while there are 4.55% for inaccurate data. And the last dimension is currency, ensuring that the level of updating of the data matches the data object being modeled. So the measurement results for this currency dimension as a whole that has been met by 90.07%. Meanwhile, the discrepancy was found to be 9.93%. Okay, from the measurement from four dimension, we go to analyze of causes of data quality problems. First, data entered by the end user has not been maximally implemented, and then validation that is still being carried out by users cause errors in data verification, found bug in the system, and then this is due to the lack of awareness of users to update data. And the last one is regulatory updates from the bureaucracy can also affect data changes that must be made, especially in database structure. The result of the data quality assessment of the four dimensions show a relatively high percentage, like completeness 93.33%, accuracy 95.45%, currency 90.07%, and validity 88.91%. So that the average is quite high, reaching 91.94%. From the result, we have several recommendations. The first is adjustment to the database structure need to be made in relation to the bureaucratic structure of higher education, and socialize the importance of maintaining data quality to each user from main unit to the university level is very important. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you very much for all attention. Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Rizky, for your presentation, and for the other participants, you can ask Mr. Rizky Tito. And we have one question from Miss Amanda Fadila. Hello, Mr. Rizky, what is meant by lecturer primary data in this research, and data at what time is used as the case study?
Okay. Thank you for this question. What is mean by main lecture primary data in this research? So this research use the data uh, included resources data, five various data. First is resources data, and then educational data, and the third is rank data, and then functional data, and the last one is certificate data. And second question is the data, what time is used? The data take in at May 2020. There is a lecturer who are active in higher education database. So that's
Okay, thank you for your explanation, Mr. Rizky, and also Ms. Amanda for your question.